Do you have children who are hyperactive or autistic? They are unable to communicate, unable to sit down, unable to learn what you wanted to teach them to learn. They don't have the ability like a normal child to sit down in the classroom where they write and read and do the normal thing. They got poor self-management. They are unable to cooperate with you. I am Dr. David Ting. For the past 40 over years, I've been teaching children, helping children to maximize their brain power, improve their learning abilities. HyperHack is the answer for you to manage your child to be able to behave in the way you want them to be, so that they are able to learn and progress and also be able to study well.